the life cycle of a butterfly. It has stage 4 in its life. Stage 4. The stage 1, the egg. First, the adult butterfly lays egg on a leaf. And later, the eggs, before they hatch into caterpillar or larva, they stay in the eggs for 2 to 5 days. After that, they turn into a caterpillar or so-called larva. After a caterpillar or larva come off their eggshell, they eat their own eggshell because they are so hungry. After that, they eat a lot of leaves for 2 weeks or 14 days. At that time, they had to be really fat or really hungry. After this is the stage 2 of their life. This is the stage 3. The fat caterpillar or the caterpillar goes to a tree branch. As you can see, the caterpillar stay here and shred their skin a lot. So after shredding their skin a lot, they turn into this chrysalis or pupa right here. They stay like this for 2 weeks or 14 days. After this, they turn into adult butterfly. But when they are out of their own this shell, I think, instead of flying, they have wet wings. So they dry their wings, as you can see. They dry their wing first and flies away. After that, like kind of the same, they have 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, after that they lays an egg on a leaf. And then the life cycle of a butterfly is finished.
Number ngai yang go den lung jing go do na masa ka pan phe chen go ya number khong go lung jing cha go do na lu chen de de masa ni phe bai chen go ya number musum na se bu bai yang go de ka khong phe lu chen ai masa ka cha ni phe chen go ya na de kha san se nga jang on de na mi dui ke yang go ka bun rong ai re mi jo shi na cha nga ja ni the pu ma ni phe shin go ya nó xuống na để bây giờ có tổ năng à mấy phụ mua tết tết li nè để nhớ phải về xin na hết khá sẵn sàng. Pas look for alumba flowers capones stemmen khu the milky no edi stemme phải mà đó pro pollenes and pollen entire phlomen pollen thì thích số mà nó ở ngoài này miêu với mông cú đấy hả nó thì enta thì tuy pinsi nó thì style này thì phlomen thì